Good afternoon, y'all. My name's Joe and welcome to Z Fighter Performance Garage. On today's vlog, I'm going to be getting our 1984 Nissan 300zx Straman Convertible up and running. I believe it's got a bad distributor, possibly ECU got wet, not sure. But we're about to dive into the car and see what we can get done today. Hopefully we get it back running and driving. That way I can get it into paint and hopefully get this car back on the road fairly quickly. So basically, like I was saying prior, we're going to replace the distributor on this car and the ECU and put some new gas into it and see what we can do, get it to run, and hopefully we can get this back on the road today.
He put some other stuff on it. It tuned a different way. The guy didn't want to, he was so scared the guy didn't want to ride in it. He said no. But whatever he did, it act crazy.
Really?
When he took off, he did some engineering stuff. He said it's a different breed. When he gets on when he gets inside of it, the other guy didn't want to ride with him.
That's pretty fast then.
Yeah. He beat that R1 motorcycle on the racetrack. Wow.
That's pretty fast then. Yeah, that's why I got the RB25 in the 86. Yummy.
Taking this distributor cap off, and
Yeah.
So we can reset it to top dead center number 1.
Yep. So go ahead and take that off, and then we'll turn it until we got it to TDC, and then we'll see what happens. We'll fire her up. Yeah, it's easy to figure out where abouts it is, then we can time it.
Down out.
It's on a downstroke, so go back.
Go back up?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Here we go. We're going back up. Let's try it again.
Go ahead.
Ready?
Yep. Go the other way.
Other way? Okay.
Yeah, I meant by up, I meant on the piston, so go down with the ratchet. Yep.
Going down.
Go ahead. Keep on going.
Going back down.
Keep going.
Yeah, going down. There we go. Going down.
What'd you do with the cap? Is this the cap?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you do with the screws?
Right up there.
All right, cool.
running?
Yeah, it's going.
All right.
Cool. Let's see if she fires.
All right.
You go ahead and stop it. We're going to switch the coil pack out as well. We're going to switch the coil pack out as well.
Try it again. Ready?
Yep. All right. Finally, we have the new fuel pump that we ordered for the race car. It's not the best, but it will definitely do. It had pretty good ratings for not very much money. Not too shabby. I'll try and get this on here soon, so that way we can get this thing running. That way we can get it over to the race shop to get the plans done and the firewall. And then try and get this wrapped up so that way we can get this all put back on the way it's supposed to be. Get this all fiberglassed in, that way we can wrap the car. Now, I thought it was silly to try and make this car into a street/race car, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think we should make it a dual vehicle where you can track it as well as drive it on the street? This thing would look pretty mean driving around, especially with the wing that we're looking at ordering and or making. Haven't decided yet. Body lines, love it.